All right, we're gonna finish off with a dynamic cool down. So we'll get the arms crossing in front at the same time, bringing the knees up. Once again, nice and wide with the arms, bringing the knee up at the same time. Just bringing the knee straight up. Awesome, a few more. And then arm rolls all the way up and back. You're gonna come up on your toes as you reach up high. Full swings up and back. Nice and slow, reaching up super high. Other direction. As you reach up, coming up on the toes. Excellent, a few more, keep it going. Awesome, keeping the hands up, making rotations with the hips. Nice big circles. Keep the movement flowing. Other way. Big circles, almost there. Good. So for the next one, grabbing a support or just putting your hand on the wall, big hip swings, forward and back. Bring your leg up as high as you can in front and high up as you can in behind. Doing your best to keep your posture up nice and tall. So we shouldn't be leaning really far forward at all with this. Trying to keep that nice upright posture. Excellent. Other side. And keep your hands on your hips just to remind yourself to keep the back up tall. Big swings, opening up the hips. Large movements, you can do it. And getting that out of the way, going into the last one here. So we're gonna drop our body, losing all of our tension. We're nice and loose. We're gonna keep our eyes forward, our chest up. We're gonna push through our feet, slowly raising up, breathing in, reaching up nice and high. As you come up to the top, getting fully tense with the body, all the muscles, and release. Once again, building from the feet, feeling the tension rising up through the body, reaching up high, coming up on the toes, feeling the tension all the way through the body, and release. Once more. Keeping the chest up, keeping the eyes forward, raising the arms up, tensing everything in the body one more time, and release. Awesome. That was our dynamic cool down there. Once again, super important to do after you finish a workout or physical activity.